Ever opened a coding website and thought, yeah, I'll totally become a programmer today, then closed it 5 minutes later? Yeah, same. So if you're searching for Codefinity versus Codecademy, don't worry, I already did the scrolling, clicking, and mild confusion for you. Let's start with Codefinity. This platform feels like a guided tour. You're not just thrown into code and told good luck. Lessons are clean, interactive, and beginner friendly. I especially liked how it walks you step by step through things like Python, data, and even Excel, with progress that actually feels measurable. It's great if you want structure, certificates, and that okay, I'm actually learning feeling. Now, Code Academy feels more like a full coding gym. There's a massive library, web dev, data science, AI, cybersecurity, you name it. What stood out for me is the career paths and hands-on projects. You're coding early, breaking things early, and learning faster because of it. It's ideal if you want depth and real world skills tied to tech careers. So here's the honest take. If you want clear guidance and smooth learning, Codefinity is your lane. If you want serious skill building and career focused paths, Code Academy goes harder. Different styles, same goal, helping you actually stick with coding. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.